NISC 23 has been a fascinating combination of looking at some of the challenges that the CISOs are facing and some of the future challenges. But what NISC is really about, it's not about the keynotes and the round tables, valuable as they are, but it's really about the opportunity to network, to be with 100 of your peers, to get validation that you are doing the right things. Yeah, NISC is a community. It brings people with common challenges together.
It's an incredibly good event. Some great people here that we really enjoyed speaking to. Really enjoyed some of the keynote speeches today. It's different from any event that we've ever attended before. It's not just many people visiting your stand. It's for a really good reason. They've got something in mind, a project in mind.
People come here to connect and learn from each other. And they trust people that are their peers in the industry. So people coming here, that's what makes the real difference.
The biggest gain for me for coming to NISC is got to be that information sharing, that knowledge, and I'm just talking to people from different sectors. I think the reality is we're all quite insular, and it might be in our organisation or the sector we work in, but actually you come here, you break out of that. It just brings a different view of the world, and that's things that we can learn.
The advantages of attending NISC for our customers are significant and pretty varied, to be honest. There are so many. There's a chance to meet with the whole team at Sapphire. There are so many trusted advisors and partners across the business. All of the customers that I've met during NISC 2023 have said it's just fantastic to meet people that they work with day in, day out, but don't necessarily have the chance to sit down and have a longer conversation with.
I would recommend NISC to friends or colleagues. The environment is really conducive to learning. It's just the complete package really, because you have all the speakers, you have the vendors, you have a lot of networking opportunities, as well as the social side, which really kind of helps get you in a really sort of relaxed, ready to learn type mindset.
For me, I think the key takeaways from NISC 23 is the pressure on the CISO isn't abating, that there's more complexity in the estates that they're looking to protect. How do you then use conferences like this to learn what other people are doing?